Want to start your own auto repair shop in South Africa? Here's what it really takes. From tools to trends. Register your biz, find the right location, and plan your budget. You'll need diagnostic tools, lifts, and even customer software. Electric and computerized cars are the future. Gear up now. Use WhatsApp Business to manage bookings and stay pro. Build trust, and they'll keep coming back. Get your copy of Opening an Auto Repair Shop on howtobooksa.com. Your workshop can power your future. Start strong, stay smart.